Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up your RBC Royal Bank online. Open the website, then click on Sign In. To start, enter your client card or username. Next, enter your password. It is given when you open your account in their branch. Now here, you will see the Electronic Access Agreement. Make sure to read it, then click on the tick box beside I have read and agree to be legally bound by the terms. After that, click on button that says I accept. Once you're signed in, you will now be asked to set up your personal verification questions and security preferences. To proceed, click on Continue. First, set up your personal verification questions. Select 3 questions, and provide an answer for each of it. Once done, click on Continue. To confirm your answers, enter each on the fields provided. Then click on Confirm. Next, select your security preference. So the PVQs, personal verification questions, you selected previously are part of the sign-in protection. In this step, you'll be given an option to be asked at least one PVQ each time you sign in. If you wish to, click on the tick box. If you wish not to, just skip this part, then click on Continue. Now, enter your email address on the field provided. You will also see on this page why it is needed to provide an email. Lastly, you will see details about paperless. That's how you set up your RBC Royal Bank online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.